guys, let's play with slime with a video. Okay, you see this glass slime, and this is our playing today. Let's play it. Look guys, it look like ew. Magtatagalog na lang ako kasi ang hirap. Parang siyang laway. Tagalog naman talaga ako eh. Ano mo ba? Guys, nag-enjoy talaga ako doon. Pa, guys, nag-enjoy ako doon.
Ano naman? Ha? Ay, Diyos ko po.